How to download GTA San Andreas on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now click on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, head back. Now navigate to the option General. Click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available in your device, just update your software to its latest version. Then you can head back, click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then you can close this, launch your App Store. Now search for the app San Andreas. Once game appears, click on the option Get. You'll need to set up payment method to purchase this game. For that, you can navigate to Settings. Then click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Click on the option Payment and Delivery. Now fill this, add your payment method. Once you do that, again navigate to App Store and purchase the game. So this way you can easily download GTA San Andreas on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.